In this video, I will discuss two mistakes, okay, that publishers make on Amazon KDP, which may be the reason their books are not selling. All right. The number one on the list is book cover. I keep on saying this because impression matters when it comes to book sales on Amazon KDP. If you give your potential buyers the impression that your book cover is not okay, they may end up not buying that book, even if you have the best material inside. The best, content that solves problem inside that particular book. But your cover is bad. There is no way they may end up buying that unless if you have followers already that you send the link to the book for them to go and buy directly. In most cases, if you don't have, you will hardly sell that book if the cover is bad. So let me go to Amazon. Let me show you bad cover, all right, that may prevent a book from selling. Let's get to the screen. Okay, let's take a good look at this book. This is Excel, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Excel Analysis for Beginners and Pros 2021. Look at this. This guy may have excellent content inside this book. All right. That's a book of about how many pages? 441 pages. That's a lot. And I believe he has some, excellent stuffs inside. But because the cover is bad, somebody can take a look and say, if your cover is bad, what are you going to have inside? And then, move past this and go to other books and buy. So this cover is poorly designed. As a content creator, as a publisher on Amazon KDP, if you're not good, if you're not skilled in cover designs, in graphics design, give the project to someone and pay the money. You will recover that money than doing some, weak designs, poor designs, and then preventing your book from selling because of the designs. Imagine, look at this. This is not, it's not popping, man. It's not looking good. Look at how you place your author's name. Oh no, it's not okay. It's not okay. Okay, then let's take a look at a book that looks like this in the same category. Okay, look at this. This is an excellent design, except for beginners, still for beginners. But if I bring this book and bring this one, you will buy this. Even if this guy doesn't have much content inside, because the cover design is excellent. I love this. I will not lie to you. This is so excellent. So if your cover design is not good, it's number one red flag. That may be the reason why your book is not selling. So create something as great as this or better than this, and you will sell more books. The number two is not using pen name and building authority around it. So listen to me. Not every book you see on Amazon are written by Americans or people from Britain, all right? British people. If you are not from there, there is need to use pen name that they will understand. All right, I can't be using Okonkwo Okafor on Amazon to write a tech book. It's not making sense because inside most of them, inside their brain, most of them, inside their thinking, they feel like people from Africa or some timid countries don't have anything to offer to them. So once they see that name, it's already a red flag. They may not end up buying that book. Okay, they may end up not buying that book. So you need to select a pen name that they understand. John Richardson, all right? Bills, Mark, all those nice names that they comprehend when they see. That's another mistake you need to avoid. Even if you're from there, there is need to use pen name depending on the categories of the book you are writing. Take for example, I'm writing a tech book and I use my real name because I'm from America. Maybe tomorrow I have experience in agriculture. I can't be writing agriculture book with that same name of mine. I have to choose a different pen name, different from the one I use in writing tech books, and build authority around it. Write different agricultural books around that new pen name. Okay, in the long run, it will help you to make more money and help you to make more sales. Yes, Listen, I started a new pen name as I published a book with a new pen name on by January this year. And after publishing that first textbook, I built books around it. Okay, I think I have about 5 books right now or six under that pen name. Okay, 5 books, 1 book per month. Now, something happened 2 days ago. Somebody from UK market bought a particular book under that pen name. All right. Then after that, you clicked on my name on that pen name and saw some other tech books there, similar. All right, that is the same category with what you bought. I ended up buying all those books. That's the importance of pen name. When I'm talking about pen name and building authority around it, I know what I've benefited from that. If one of the books start doing very well, it will touch others. All right, it will impact on others, and you make more sales and make more money. So don't play with that. Have pen name, build pen names, not even just pen names, and build authority, build other books around that pen, those different pen names. Okay. If you're using MacBush to write tech books or software books under that pen name, write many software books and put there. If you're using Bill McFarlane to write agricultural books, write one agricultural book under that name and build other agricultural titles around it. You make money. So don't make the mistake of using your arena if you're from Africa or maybe from timid countries, some countries that need to develop that the white people don't understand what that name means, all right? So use some good pen names, all right, to make your money. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on self-publishing, technology, and YouTube education. So if any of these categories, you like any of them, just try subscribing to learn more. All right. We need child contents every week, valuable contents that solve problem. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay good.